Hello, friends. Today we're going to learn some easy four-letter words. These words are great to practice because they are short and sweet. Let's get started. The first word is ball. Can you say ball? Let's spell it together. B-A-L-L, ball. A ball is something we can play with. You can throw it, kick it, or bounce it. It's so much fun. Next word is fish. Let's say it, fish. Now, let's spell it, F-I-S-H, fish. A fish lives in water, and it can swim all day. Some fish are very colorful and beautiful to look at. Our third word is hand. Can you say hand? Let's spell it, H-A-N-D, hand. We use our hands to pick things up, clap, wave, and even draw. And the last word is tree. Can you say tree? Let's spell it, T-R-E, tree. A tree has leaves and branches, and it grows tall. Trees give us shade in the summer and clean the air. Wow, you did an amazing job, friends. Keep practicing, and you'll be spelling like a pro in no time.